Hello my wonderful kids. Welcome back to our maths class. Today we will continue chapter number 10, money. So today let's go to money house. Here you will learn exchanging coins. This is house of rupees 2. So you can see 2 rupees coin. But if you don't have coin of 2 rupees, so you also can use 2 coins of 1 rupee. So 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. Otherwise you also not have coin of 1 rupee, you also can use coins of 50 rupees. So you will need 4 coins to make it 2 rupee. Okay. Next you will see house of rupees 5. So here you can see 1 coin of 5 rupees. If you don't have 1 coin of 5 rupee, instead of you can use 2 coin of 2 rupees and 1 coin of 1 rupee. So 2 plus 2 4 and 4 plus 1 5 rupees. Otherwise you can use 5 coin of 1 rupees. So 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 is equal to 5. 1 rupees 5 times. So it will become 5 rupees. Next, here you can see house of 10 rupees. So you can use 1 coin of 10 rupees. Otherwise you can use 2 coin of 5 rupees, because 5 plus 5 is equal to 10. And you also can use 5 coins of 2 rupees, because 2 5s are 10. Otherwise you also can use 10 coin of 1 rupees. Next, exchanging notes and coins. You also can exchange notes with coin. How? Let's see. House of 5 rupees note. So instead of 5 rupee note, you can use 2 coin of 2 rupees and 1 coin of 1 rupee. So it is also 5 rupees. Otherwise you can use 5 coins of 1 rupee. Next, house of 10 rupees note. In another 10 rupees house, you can see 2 coins of 5 rupee. And next house, this is also house of rupees 10. You can see here 5 coins of 2 rupees. So it will also become 10. Next is exchanging notes. We can also exchange bigger notes for smaller notes. Here you can see 10 rupees note. This is 10 rupees house. So in another 10 rupees house, you can see 2 notes of 5 rupees. So 5 plus 5, it will become 10. Next, 20 rupees house. So in another 20 rupees house, you can see 2 notes of 10 rupees and one more 20 rupees house. In this house, you can see 4 notes of 5 rupees. So 4 5s are 20. Next, 50 rupees house. So in this 50 rupee house, you can see in first house 50 rupee note, you can exchange with 2 notes of 20 rupees and 1 note of 10 rupees. So 20 plus 20 40, 40 plus 10 50. One more rupees 50 house. So here you can use 5 notes of 10 rupees. So 10 plus 10 20, 20 plus 10 30, 30 plus 10 40 and 40 plus 10 50. Next, 100 rupees house. So in 100 rupees house, you can see note of 100 rupees. But you can exchange with 2 notes of 50 rupees. Otherwise, you can exchange with 3 notes of 20 rupees and 4 notes of 10 rupees. See, 20 plus 20, 40, 40 plus 20, 60, 60 plus 10, 70, 70 plus 10, 80, 80 plus 10, 90 and 90 plus 10, 100. So this is house of 100 rupees. Now we will do exercise in our maths textbook. So open your maths textbook, page number 124, exercise 10.2. Question number 1. Fill in the boxes to make change for exactly 50 rupees. What we have to do here? We have to make change for 50 rupees. Look at here. First, 10 rupees, 20 rupees, 10 rupees, 5 rupees and 5 rupees. So these are change for exactly 50 rupees. Count. 10 plus 20, 30 rupees, 30 plus 10, 40 rupees, 40 plus 5, 45 and 45 plus 5, 50. So here we have to fill in these boxes to make change of 50 rupees. Look at here. How many rupees are given? Rupees 10 and rupees 10. So these are 30 rupees. So now we need 20 rupees to make 50. So here we will write rupees 10 and rupees 10. So it will become 50. So write down rupees 10 and rupees 10. Next is 10 rupees, 20 rupees and 25 rupees. How many rupees given? 10 plus 20, 30 rupees, 30 plus 5. So 35 rupees are given. Now we need 15 more rupees. So first we will take 10 rupees note and then we will take 5 rupees note. So 10 plus 20, 30, 30 plus 5, 35, 35 plus 10, 45 and 45 plus 5. So it will become 50. Next, how many rupees are given? 20 and 10. 30 rupees are given. And we have to fill 3 boxes. So we will take rupees 10. So these are 40 rupees. And for 10 rupees we will take 2 note of rupees 5. So this is 50. Next, question number 2. Fill in the boxes to make change for exactly rupees 10. We have to make change for 10 rupees. See here. 2 rupees, 2 rupees, 2 plus 2, 4, 4 plus 2, 6, 6 plus 2, 8. Now how many rupees are needed? 2 rupees and we have 2 boxes. So we will write 1 rupee here. So it will become 10 rupees, rupees 1 and rupees 1. Next is here 2 boxes are given. So we can take 2 coin of 5 rupees. So it will be 10 rupees. So rupees 5 and rupees 5. Next you can see 2 plus 2, 4 rupees are given. So we can take 3 coin of 2 rupees. So it will be 10 rupees. 2 plus 2, 4. 4 plus 2, 6. 6 plus 2, 8. And 8 plus 2, 10 rupees. Next, 5 and 1. So 5 plus 1 is equal to 6 rupees are given. Now we can take 2 coin of 2 rupees. 6 plus 2, 8. And 8 plus 2, 10. Next, question number 3. Fill in the boxes to make change for exactly 20 rupees. First, how many rupees are given? See first. 2. 2 plus 5, 7. 7 plus 2, 9. 9 plus 2, 11. And 11 plus 5, 16. So now we need only 4 more rupees. So 3 boxes are given here. So we can take 2 coin of 1 rupees, rupee 1 and 1 coin of 2 rupees. So total 2 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 1, 4 we needed. Here you can see 10 rupees given only and we have to make 20. So we can take 2 notes, otherwise 2 coins of rupees 5. So 10 plus 5, 15 and 15 plus 5, 20. Next, only 5 rupees given. So we can take another 5 rupee, 5 plus 5, 10 10 plus 5 15 and 15 plus 5 20. Here 10 rupees is given and we have to make 20. Only one box is there. So we can take another 10 rupees. So 10 rupee plus 10 rupees equal to 20 rupees. So till here you have to complete. Okay children, take care. Bye bye.